easy to build, and all the parts together, you end up with this really cute, really crazy looking Mimikyu. Hello, this is BJ from Hearns Hobbies, and I'm going to be looking at one of these new Bandai kits. This is one of the quick kits, which are designed to be, obviously, quick to build. And they're perfectly suited for beginners, or as it shows, anyone 6 and above is great. So if you want to introduce a child to model building, and particularly this particular subject, Pokemon is very, very popular at the moment. These are a great introduction to model building. You don't need any special tools, and it doesn't need any glue because it all presses together. So let's have a closer look inside. Before we do, this is a character called Mimikyu. So it mimics the look of Pikachu, and that's why you got, Pikachu across the top here. You see the recognizable shapes here. This is actually a ghost type Pokemon, and he's covered in a rag, so it's probably going to be easy to see on the box art here. Very interesting box art. It shows you just how simple it is to put together all the smaller pieces. There's not so many of them, but you can see here, so you can see the little eyes there. They're the cutouts for the ghost to see through. This whole thing is actually his rag, and this is all hand drawn to look like Pikachu because he's pretty lonely, wants to make friends, and he figures that Pikachu is quite popular because of a lot of merchandise, that if he walks around with this sort of disguise on, then he'll get a lot of friends. Now this particular tail is actually a sticky hold to look like Pikachu's tail. So it's quite funny really. All right, let's open it up, have a look what you get inside. Okay, so we've got our box of parts there. There's a couple of sprues, so let's have a closer look at them. Now if I just put this aside over here. All right, so here's your first lot. Now pretty standard with Bandai kits. It's molded in multiple colors. So it's great for these particularly quick kits too, because you don't need to paint them. They look really good as they are. The plastic's already pre-colored. So you've got some black sections here, and that'll be set behind the head. This covers the jagged mouth. Okay, so that's going to give the black section here, and also it has the swirly eyes that fits into that part. This is a slightly dark chocolate brown color. So this is going to do the ears. So just the tips there. And then that part there, that's for the eyes, which are on the belly there. Quite a funny looking character. Sort of Pikachu, but not quite Pikachu. It's a little bit of a bent Pikachu. All right, then over here, we've got the stickers there. The stickers are all pre-cut. So you've got the little swirly pattern here, which will stick. This is along the cheeks, and then you've got the swirly eyes as well. So once you stick those on, you get all the detail you need. No need for paint. And then we end up with our final piece of sprue. So this is the base. You've got this dark section, again molded in multiple colors. You've got this section here, which is actually this is the bottom jagged part of the rag to resemble the bottom of the Pikachu. These are the two sections here to resemble the tail of Pikachu, which is a stick, and then there's the base. So that all sits on top of there. And they're quite ingenious the way these points are molded, because there's no nubs that will come from that. It's all rounded, very tight connection points. So you just have to bend it and it'll come off. No need for side cutters. Okay, so that's that second bit, and then you end up with the instructions, which are in the base of the box. Okay, so from this side you can see this is the legend of the parts. Okay, so you've got the 2 sprues and your stickers. But then over here there's instructions on how to put the stickers on. This point here shows you how to recognize where the parts are and how to take them off. So you just snap them off as I explained. You don't need any side cutters. And then how you just press them into place. All right, so the assembly is quite simple. So you get the eye plate and the mouth plate, and that presses inside the bodywork. Then you've got the eye holes, they press in, and you squeeze that together. You've got the front of the Mimikyu connect to the back of the Mimikyu. You put together the ears and they just clip on. Put on the stickers, so you've got the swirly cheek stickers and then the swirly eye stickers. Put the 2 halves of the stick tail together. Over here we're putting together the base. And then you've got the main body of your Mimikyu. It's just pressed into the base. And then you've got the tail, clips on, and all done. C'est fini. Already matched up. So that's it. So as you can see, this is why they call them quick. Really easy to build. And all the parts together, you end up with this really cute, really crazy looking Mimikyu. So that's it. So that's my open box review of this Bandai Quick Kit Mimikyu, rated for 6 and over, so perfect for children and also adults who like this sort of crazy stuff too. Very cute. There you go, Mimikyu.